Hey, welcome back to Out the Smoke. I'm Malcolm, this is Mark. And Mark, what'd you bring for us to check out today, man?
We got our new toy. We bought us a new fish fryer. We checked it out. Good stainless, a little bit lighter than we're used to. So we're gonna put it through its paces.
I love deep frying stuff. If I don't have a grill fired up, putting out smoke, putting them good flavor, I'm probably frying. So hot wings, fish, seafood of all types, corn dogs, you name it, I'm gonna fry it. And I wanna see this Bayou Classic can do it.
That's right. Let's get to frying.
Let's get to frying. So what I really like about this one is it's small and compact enough, one man can handle it.
That's right.
It's perfect for your outdoor patio. If you're cooking outside, if you want to take it with you, it's not too bad. It's got 2 baskets, so you can fry a lot of stuff. Takes about 4 gallons of oil to fill it up, heats up good, and puts out some delicious food, right?
That's right. So we got some wings today. We're gonna fry some wings up. I'm never gonna turn wings down for lunch, and we'll put it through its paces.
Well, let's get some oil in it, show everybody where you put the fire, see how long it takes to heat up, and then let's get some meat in there.
There you go. So we got 4.5 gallons of some frying oil. That fills this cooker up perfectly. This oil's been cooked in once or twice, so it's good and seasoned.
So this fryer just takes a standard propane bottle, like a typical gas grill. It's got a valve on it, just screw it into the bottle, open it up, it's got a little throttle on it. Mark's gonna crack it, let some gas flow through the line, put the flame to it, and it's gonna take right off.
So Malcolm, it took the fryer about 10 minutes to get up to about 350, 360. I like frying them a little bit hotter. We dropped the wings, they fried for about 12 minutes. One of the things I loved about it is once you got the wings dropped, I could back the heat down, cut the fryer back, and it maintained 360 like a champ.
That's what I noticed. There was no messing with the regulator. Like some fryers, I know when you get it going, you drop 2 baskets full of food in there, it changes that temperature and you're having to adjust it to bring it up, and you're always fighting that thermometer. This one stayed in the green zone, that 350, 360, perfect, the whole time. Those wings started slowly coming up to temp in that hot oil as they floated and they kind of quit frying. That's how you know they're done. You tempt them, 200 degrees is about what we were looking at, just spot checking them. That's perfect for me. I know those bones are gonna pop out. Mark, it is lunchtime.
Time to go.
So if y'all are looking for a great fryer to add to the collection, check out these Bayou Classics. They're lightweight. They don't take a whole lot of oil to operate. Temperature runs great on them, and cleanup is a breeze. I mean, this stainless steel, you can hose it all down, Mark, no problem.
You ain't gotta worry about it rusting. Blow it out, you're good to go.
I think the price on it is somewhere about 500 bucks, something like that. So it doesn't break the bank for a good 2-basket fire. They get the OutTheSmoke seal of approval. Appreciate y'all hanging out with us here today. If y'all like what we're doing, check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Give us a like here on YouTube. Mark, where can they find your recipes?
Y'all can find us at Swine Life BBQ on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and now TikTok.
And I'm over at HowtoBBQRight across all the platforms. Y'all can find me there. We'll see y'all next time. Mark, this thing's still ready to fry.
Still frying, ain't it?